Hello world! Emotions are your body reaction to your thoughts. Emotions are directly linked to our survival because they cause us to take action when feeling threatened or make us feel happy when our needs are being met. Our feelings decide what we want and what we are afraid of that might hurt us. However, if our emotions control us, then we will never find peace or balance because giving into negative emotions can also weaken us. An open mind and calm body is what allows you to take control of your thoughts, feelings, and situations because you are able to observe, pay attention, and focus on what you need to do next, and what you do next and will determine the outcome. A calm mind and body conveys that you believe that you are more powerful than what you are facing. Calm energy communicates trust and respect because it is both non-threatening and display confidence. Calm energy also demonstrates leadership and how a person can choose to manage their emotional reactions in the face of fear and uncertainty. People who are experiencing a feeling of weakness will give in to the fear and then require someone else to be the leader and guide them out of it. By Joel Clemons. On this post of Anna, she captioned it with, "If you are not sure, it's a no. If you don't want to, it's a no. If you are not ready, it's a no. If your intuition says no, it's a no. If it feels bad, fake, forced, off, uncomfortable, or weird, it's a no. Maturity is saying no without apologizing when enforcing your boundaries. Read it again." Yes, Anna, you said it right, that the older you get, the more you realize the real luxuries in life are time, slow morning, and the freedom to choose whatever you want to do. As Anna visit her lovely clinic to have her regular skin treatment to enhance more of her beauty.
Kondycja skóry się pani bardzo poprawiła.
Poprawiła się, nie?
Jaka ona jest napięta
Tak.
teraz.
On this post of Anna, she captioned it with, "Your life is always what you choose to see. If you decide to choose to take note of everything you lack, you count all the ways life has gone wrong. To focus on all the people who don't love you, emptiness will come your way. But if you choose to count your blessing, to find joy in every small thing, to stand by your love and gratitude, everything will change. You're gonna bloom. Every shift in your perspective can transform your entire reality." Yeah, Simone, start your day with your sunshine of positivity and good looks. Oh, but how about in here? Did you see Simone more attractive on his fierce look of mysteriousness? So lovely, and a big round of a clap for you, Simone, as to the trailer of your movie. You gained 1.6 million views. It proved that your movie is really a good one, that we don't have to forget to watch it. And many news platforms that it was headline how better it was. And we are all curious on how you have improved your acting skill on this new movie of yours. We will all gonna cross our fingers that it will be shown worldwide. What a beautiful day, Simone, with a beautiful place that century had passed by, but that landmark is always a masterpiece of time. Weekend is here, but Michele is work. Can you all guess, guys? What is today work of art of Michele? Who is he with? Can anyone guess of it? Today, Mikel is into music. Who is he with? Is someone special to him and someone who is a great violist. Hear this out and look on how she take the rhythm of the beat of her feet with her violin beat. And she is a great one, as we can see, even that she sit down, she can still take the beat harmoniously with the others. How is the tempo as to what Michele said with the gypsy music? Hear this then. Michele fell into orchestra as the conductor, am I right? With Esther Abrami and the rest of the team. Okay, once again, let's listen to this one on how Michele instruct for a good harmony of the beat of the instrument on how they all blend.
Un intro sexy, proprio piano, tranquillo, ok? E poi parto con 3, 1A. Okay, but. Oh. Guarda, suona nessuno. Okay? Ready, guys?
Yeah.
That's it, sorry. My fault. Believe me. Quando ti senti pronto, tranquillo. Easy. 3, 2, 1. My fault. Sorry.
Oh, I think the only thing I understand on what Michele said is the loud duh.
Not the low one?
Yeah.
The real low one? Or just the middle one?
Let's check this out as Michele and Esther combine the piano and the violin.
That was actually cool. Yeah.
Very good. I think we can work.
Yeah, it's cool. The harmony, the beat, the melody. It's a perfect combination. As they look in their eyes, there is a spark in it.
Thank you for watching my video today. Comment your reaction below. Don't forget to click the like button. Share this video to others and please subscribe on my channel. Day 89 of the 365 days of 2025. A message to all. Each and every of us will have to go through heartbreak and loss, and sometimes the loss is so profound that it changes us and we are not the same person that we used to be. The one confident person is replaced with what feels like a broken shell. We will welcome to a crossroad, and the next decision that make will either empower us and put us on the right path to healing and recovery, or it might destroy us just a little bit more. The mistake that most people make is that they focus on their feelings and ruminate over their hurt and loss and channel those feelings into more fear, anxiety, pain, or anger instead of focusing on learning how to become smarter and stronger than what hurt them. To be able to rebuild your life, you have to be able to figure out what exactly went wrong, why you made the decisions that you did, and take ownership of your choices so that you can make corrections that will empower you so that you grow in strength and wisdom. You need to be able to work with accurate information, not flow, judgment, or emotional wounds that keep you stuck having the wrong perspective and then repeating the same choices but expecting a different result. By Joel Clemons.